Short selling overextended penny stocks are a great way to make a killing on the stock market. Overextended means that the share price of a stock has become so high that it isn't justifiable by any fundamental analysis. But you've got to know what and why to short. To answer those questions, here's your host of the Bagholder Stock of the Week, LaSalle Inungu.
Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me here on the Bagholder Stock of the Week for September 20th, 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me. And look, I knocked it out the park on HUSA. I knocked it out the park on SPI. I'm back again, ladies and gentlemen. The Bagholder Stock of the Week. This stock you're going to be up big in the next 7 days is MGTI. I'm confused here. By the way, HMNY did some insane numbers today. But we're talking about MGTI. MGTI is a stock that's failed several times. MGTI is a stock that was delisted off the New York Stock Exchange earlier this year. Now trades in the ghetto of the stock market, the over-the-counter exchange. It is a company that has no long-term potential for success. And it is a company that has already created bagholders. In fact, when I started talking, honestly about the company on Twitter, I was attacked. They attacked me. You're talking shit about the company. You're being disrespectful. You can't talk about his wife that way. You can't say those things. We're going to the moon. $20, man. You better come on with us. That's when I know you're a bag holder. You know that person criticizing you is a bag holder when they don't know you from jump. And as soon as you say something honest about the company, you're attacked. That's what bag holders do. You've got to understand, these are people who have bought shares at higher prices. The stocks have lost value, and they've done idiotic things like dollar cost averaging. So now they're in a hole really big. So they are desperate for MGTI to continue to run, and they're desperate to create a narrative that this is in fact a very valuable company, that this company does have the potential to be valuable, to be worth more than what it is right now. And ladies and gentlemen, it does not. I'm not even going to get into the abhorrently just disastrous toxic financing that this company has engaged in. I mean, it's literally giving millions of shares for pennies on a dollar. I'm talking literally millions of shares. You can go into the last 10K, and I can show you where they're giving literally $1 million for about $400. A million shares for like $400. I want you to go on Twitter, because there was a back and forth between MGTI and I guess another short seller that put this on the radar for me. And I said, okay, I got to get a part of this because I can't miss out on this. I know the kind of losses that MGTI has given people. And as someone who shorts stocks, who shorts many of the plays that I talk about on my show, because again, stocks go down faster than they go up, and I'm impatient. And I think it's easier to make money off the backs of false dreams and false assertions and dishonesty and people who aren't smart. I think people who aren't smart should lose money in the stock market. And I think I should be able to make money off people who aren't smart. And I think the people who are trading and investing and buying the long story in MGTI are not very smart people. Because when I look at the chart, when I look at the 10K, I don't see a a potential for success. I don't see the rationale to justify where it's trading at right now. You know, miss me with the whole ideas of the phones and the products and the, we've seen that over and over again. I mean, every 2 weeks we got another penny stock with a dream and an idea and a group and a couple people who are so excited. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon, man. Come on, join us. We're going to the moon. We're going all the way. Hop on the ride. Don't talk shit about my stock. We're going to come after you. No. It's not going to happen. You're going to lose money. You're going to lose a lot of money. And time will tell whether or not I'm proven right or I'm proven wrong. And guess what? Even if I'm proven wrong, I'll be back here with another short of the week. But I have yet to be proven wrong. I have yet to put out an episode of the short of the week and been wrong. Because I go after stocks that are clearly trading above their value, clearly trading at levels that aren't justified. And that's Mgti. There's every reason that if you want to be an investor in Bitcoin, again, I'm not denying Bitcoin. I think the technology is wonderful. I think you're underestimating what China wants for their country. These people are serious. They're ending Bitcoin as we know it in China. See, the Chinese government literally sees Bitcoin as a threat to their very national security. And you got these Bitcoin blogs that saying, well, it's not that bad. It's temporary. They're going to get back on track, man. They're going to get back on the bandwagon. No, they're not. It's over. I saw an article today where Bitcoin was used to buy a home. Bitcoin's been trading for 7 years. And you just now got somebody to accept Bitcoin for a purchase of a home? This is unreal. The only reason people buy Bitcoin is to sell it to somebody at a higher price. They're not buying Bitcoin to actually do any transactions. But again, I'm not here to shit on the stock. All I'm saying is that if I want to benefit off Bitcoin, I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm not buying Mgti. I'm not buying Mgti. It's your boy Sal. Mgti. Short stock of the week. Mgti. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time.